have here an ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to try it out. So inside here comes with some tweezers, some instructions. Here is the cleaning unit right here. And then looks like there is a cord right here. So I'm going to take everything out and I'm going to try it out. So it's going to be super easy to use it. I have some cleaner I can stick inside here. And then back here is where I'm going to plug it in so it will work. And then I'll push it on and I'll put whatever I want in here to clean and shine. So I have here some rings I'm going to put in and see how well it cleans. So I put my rings inside here. Right now it's just water. This solution is for jewelry, so I have it ready to go. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 drops in, like it said, recommended. So I'm gonna do like that, and then I'm gonna close the lid and push start. So it's done. It goes for 5 minutes and then turns off. You don't want to do it more than 15 minutes at a time. Just make sure you do it for the time it says to. You can use the tweezers to lift the basket, or you could just take it and just get the item out itself that way. So I'm going to take it out, let them dry off, and I'm going to show you how clean I got it. So it comes with this nice little shining cloth. So after I cleaned it, I just polished them up. They're nice and shiny, really clean, and it was very quick and easy to use. I used a solution that was meant for jewelry. If you have like retainers or other items you want to clean, make sure you get the solution meant for that item so it doesn't ruin it. Or you can even just use plain water, but it might not clean as good. So this ultrasonic cleaner was really easy and simple to use. It cleaned up my wedding ring and my husband's rings up really quickly and easily. Shined them up, got them all clean from the dirt that's been in the little cracks. So I'd recommend it to anyone that likes clean jewelry and wants to clean up things in an easy way at home.